I'm making the directory for the SSH and currently listing out the SSH directories, the SSH files. So right now I'll be copying my SSH key from my downloads in my Windows to my root system. So I've currently done that right now, and I have to give permission to the SSH so it will be able to work both on the root system and also on the application container server. As you can see, I've been able to SSH into the root server. Yeah, moving on, I'll be deploying the Terraform stack inside the application server, inside the application container server. Now I have deployed the Terraform stack inside the application container server. After deploying the Terraform stack inside the application container server, I'll be SSHing back into the root system server. Now that I'm inside the root system server, I have to look into the kubectl and write out the command context to get the pods. And as we can see here, we have two pods where the two are failing. One is on currently on the container creating, and the other is on pending. Now that I've gotten the pods, I see that two of the pods are failing. So now we have to describe the pods. Now, describing the pod, I see that the two pods, one of them has low memory with one key memory, and I have to upgrade the memory to like I'll just use 64 mi as the memory. Now I have described the second pod, and I see that I need to remove the pod affinity. So I am removing the pod affinity now, and I have to add the null resource to add a tint to the Terraform command. Then, and now that I've actually done it, I'll be going on to the application container server to apply the Terraform command. Creating a client pod in the third challenge. So the client pod will be in the default namespace, and I need to add a label to it, the label which has a row which equals to the HTTP client and also has a call installed in it. And here, after I've been able to to create this client pod, I'll be testing the connectivity now so as to return the nginx to show me the welcome page of the of this particular task. And also, I see that the network policy will be failing. So I am currently fixing it by creating a new network policy in the Terraform. And this network policy allows me to have access to long running the call pod. On this challenge, I'll be debugging on this challenge to extract the secret or hidden message, and also I'll be deploying the echo chamber pod in the namespace T4. So I'm currently deploying the echo chamber pod in namespace T4, which is the first process. And and right now, yes, I have deployed the echo chamber in the root system server, and I will have to go to the application container server to apply the Terraform command to to for the challenge to start up. So now I'm done applying the Terraform command, and I'll be SSHing back root into the root system server. So yes, we'll be using this kubectl hyphen context kind hyphen elunic hyphen challenge hyphen namespace T4 to get the ports. And I'll be getting the logs of the pod to see what it gives us. So currently I've just run the command for to get the logs of the echo chamber pod, and I can see that it says moving on. So I think this is like a secret message to be able to get the hidden message to get the hidden message here. So now I have to look for the secret message. So now the debugging starts. The location has this host path. As you can see, it has this host path and also it has a product name with the value kind. And the main secret appears to be in the UU. The main secret appears to be in the UU ID in the product location. And I think this is like a hint for me to see the secret message. So I think currently the secret message is yes, I've been able to get the secret message here, um, which starts from DF and ends with DA. So I think that is the secret message, and the location it's in the product UU ID, and we have been able to get the UU ID, which is the hidden secret that the echo chamber has. Logging for a while, I was able to come across uh, this secret that was written as product UUI. I don't know if it's a secret, but it says the location slash product UUID and the content. Yes, the rest of the video shows how I've been able to solve the bug the rest of the project. Thank you.